Today we'll be showcasing the RTO solution. The goal of RTO is to provide easy and efficient monitoring for your Boomi Atoms. This solution provides lots of pre-configured alerts and widgets that you can see here on the screen. The initial view is a nice look into the health of our Boomi Atoms. In this environment, there are two atoms being monitored, Presales Box and Presales Box 2. This view is nice to get a quick overview of how our atoms are performing, but we have lots of other tabs here at the top to dive in deeper. Some of these metrics should look familiar because the first four tabs are metrics being pulled off of the host, such as CPU, storage, memory, and network. We are collecting over 70 metrics and have 15 alerts pre-configured on these metrics. At any point, if there is a metric you want to be alerted on that isn't configured, then you simply click here, Add Alert. Then you configure a name, set the threshold. Multiple thresholds are allowed. It's common to see a warning alert and then a critical for when the upper threshold is reached. Once the fields are configured, your alert will show up in the Alerts tab at the top here. We play well with most of the popular incident management platforms and also have custom webhooks for those we don't directly integrate with. Let's move on to where RTO really shines: JVM and atom-specific metrics. There are a bunch of helpful metrics within these two tabs. We can see JVM uptime, loaded classes, and open file descriptors, to name a few. The Atom Metrics tab has widgets relating directly to the executions, queues, and services running. Some of the important metrics to note are running executions, average execution queue time. If this spikes up, then you know there is a bottleneck. Platform connection failure is a simple but effective one to alert on as well. Pinpointing errors is especially easy with our date picker, allowing for a wide range of historic data. I want to mention that ease of use is core to RTO, and that's why we have all of your alerts and logs in one spot. No need to relearn an entire platform. You'll have everything you need in one dashboard. These alerts here are pre-configured, and as I mentioned earlier, can easily be adjusted or appended. The last, and in my opinion, most important parts of RTO is the logging aspect. Out of the box, we are collecting container, web server, execution, and molecule logs. The logs can be filtered on any field such as hostname, log file, severity, or any of the items in the list here to narrow your search down. Utilize regex and advanced search features if you want to get real fancy. An important note here is that all of these logs can be alerted on. For example, multiple head nodes, which you can see here, is already configured as an alert. The same goes for container version mismatch and head node AWOL, or even taking it a step further and monitor specific processes. Our goal with RTO is usability and efficiency, but it is more than equipped to handle advanced use cases. If you'd like to learn more, please go to our website and schedule a demo.